Phuket now. We are staying at this retreat called Coco Retreat Phuket Resort and Spa. It's a little bit away from town, but we chose it that way because, yeah, we like our quiet and peace to be a little resorted. So yeah, let's see what today has to bring. Night market in Phuket, and oh my god, all the food, look at this. Yeah, those are worms. Look at all this food. Like, how is that even possible? Wait, I'll have to show you guys. It's crazy big. I think it was the biggest market in the night market in Phuket. So it's crazy. We haven't decided yet what to eat, but we'll tell you when we do. Good morning, guys. We're going to see elephants. So we chose an kind of unusual route. Like, we didn't want to go jungle trekking or like sitting on elephants because how they are treated. So we're going to a sanctuary, and we're very excited. You get to bath them, feed them, actually interact with them in a different way that's more about them and less about us. So it's gonna be super fun. I'm so excited. I think this is the thing that I was like most excited about in Thailand because I love animals. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're a little tired, but we'll pick up, we promise. Yeah, that's my boyfriend in the background. No, we just came home from the elephant sanctuary and it was amazing. Like, it was such a good ambience and people were so kind and the guide was super funny, and the elephants, I don't know how an elephant is when it's sad or like stuff like that because I don't know that much, but they seemed very happy. So yeah, I didn't want to vlog too much when I was there because honestly I didn't want to get my camera wet because of course, but also I had too much fun. So yeah, you should definitely go. It's a better way to interact with the elephants than going riding and all that stuff because that's not good for them and it's really not that fun. It just makes you feel bad because honestly they don't get food in 5 hours and they don't get to cool down and it's not good for their back. They just live a more sad life and it's just a sad situation, and you should see the progress they have to go through to get there. It's awful. So yeah, it's a better alternate way to spend with the elephants, absolutely. So you should go there if you want to interact with elephants because it's so much better for everyone.
Okay.
Just a little bit more expensive, but it's worth it, I promise. Okay, it's New Year's today, so we're gonna get ready and we're gonna go eat tonight. Yes, we're gonna have some hadrak Hot rock cafe.
Hataraka
Hot rock cafe. Okay, bye guys. Bye. Ow!
Он типа познает себя, узнает других. Видишь, играет. Oh, how so like for us, even the 7-year-old, we consider.